The SharkMatrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, Black Brass, AV2610WA is designed for people who want automated floor cleaning without separating vacuuming and mopping into different routines. Its combination of vacuuming and sonic mopping makes it a practical option for maintaining everyday hard floor surfaces while reducing the amount of manual cleaning required. One of its key features is sonic mopping, which adds an active scrubbing approach to the mopping function rather than relying only on a passive mop pad. This can be particularly useful for dealing with everyday dirt and residue on suitable hard floors. The 2-in-1 design also means the robot can handle vacuuming and mopping as part of the same overall cleaning system, making it more convenient for regular floor maintenance. The black and brass finish gives the AV2610WA a distinctive appearance, although the main appeal is its cleaning functionality rather than its styling. For households looking for a robot that combines two common floor care tasks, having both functions in one device can help simplify the cleaning routine. There are also some practical considerations. The supplied information focuses on its 2-in-1 vacuum and sonic mopping capabilities, so details such as suction power, battery runtime, navigation technology, dustbin capacity, and specific floor surface compatibility are not provided and should not be assumed. That makes it better to evaluate this model based on the features that are actually confirmed rather than expecting capabilities that have not been specified. Overall, the SharkMatrix Plus AV2610WA stands out for its combination of robotic vacuuming and sonic mopping in a single machine. It is best suited to buyers who value an automated approach to routine floor cleaning and want mopping included alongside vacuuming, particularly when the convenience of having both functions together is a priority.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.